never slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fake.
Hello folks, 2024 Subaru CROSSTREK just dropped in the shop today for a subwoofer installation under the seat, like a mini subwoofer under the seat basically. Well, reason why this vehicle dropped off is basically because the factory system in this vehicle is just, it sounds very terrible. It has zero bass, no bass at all. Anybody that owns this vehicle can probably tell you, but yeah, it completely misses the bass. So the customer purchased his brand new vehicle, but he's like, my goodness, what am I gonna do with this? I can't listen to this. So he brought it to us. We're doing a on-the-seat subwoofer in this vehicle, so it's gonna be 150 watt RMS. We're dropping it under the seat. So we're gonna load him up with this PS8 Rockford Fosgate 150 watt RMS, like I said, under the seat, and it's gonna help out with the missing frequencies, because without anything like that, man, it's gonna be like, it doesn't sound good at all. It sounds basically terrible. And so for this upgrade, we're gonna have this this is what we're doing. It's the PS8, like I said, from Rockford Fosgate. It is a 150 watt RMS, 300 watt peak, and it's the mini subwoofer. It's nothing crazy. It's just gonna help out with the missing bass, with the bass that he's not having. So nothing too crazy here. Just take it out of the box. Oh, does it come? It comes with some power wire, power and ground. You're probably not gonna be using this one, but anyways, comes with a bass knob. There, I'm gonna take it out of the plastic in a bit here. So that's the subwoofer itself. Here we are. It is a pretty small form factor subwoofer. Those are the connectors. Here we go. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and install this in the vehicle, and let's do that.
So instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patent it. Being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks. This and that, spitting slow, speaking fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior, inferior. You know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through, I've never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams into modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is tactical. Rub it on and watch it go. Make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible.
So guys, this is the idea we came up with to mount our subwoofer. So we cut two pieces of ABS plastic. We put the insert so it can receive the screws. So now the subwoofer is gonna come on top like this. But basically what is going on now is we're gonna have to take this and insert inside the carpet through these openings. So we're gonna use these openings to insert the pieces of plastic under the carpet. So it's gonna be sitting like this, but under the carpet. Same thing on this side. We're gonna insert it under the carpet through these holes. So we're gonna insert it over there, and this is gonna be under the carpet. So we'll drill the carpet, the two holes on the carpet. So the subwoofer is gonna sit right on the carpet, and then we're gonna pass the screw through the carpet, and then it's gonna screw down to this insert here. So basically what is gonna happen is the carpet is gonna be sandwiched in between those two legs and the subwoofer on top. That way the subwoofer is not going to be able to move or to bounce when the vehicle goes over the bumps on the road. So that's what we're going to be doing here to hold the subwoofer in place. So let's go ahead and do that. Hey guys, we mounted our box exactly the way we wanted it to be. It's rock solid, it's not going to be shaking or anything. We have the 4 screws and then the ABS plastic in between at the bottom. So like I mentioned before, the carpet is basically sandwiched in between the box and the ABS at the bottom. It's very solid, it's strong there, it's not going anywhere. Okay, now we're gonna run the wiring and dismount our head unit here so we can get our input signal. Alright, so let's go ahead and do that. Alright guys, we have the factory radio is out, so we did take out the radio so we can pick our input signal to the subwoofer over here. So this is the harness going to the radio part of this whole head unit. Our front speaker will be these two here, yellow, gray, and black, purple. So we're gonna tap on there to pick our high level input and take it down over here to the Rockford Fosgate subwoofer. Alright, so let's go ahead and do that, guys. Hello guys, still here with our Rockford Fosgate Underseat Subwoofer. So now onto the base knob. So we're going to go ahead and dismantle the base knob there that came with the subwoofer, and we're going to mount it on this panel here. It is on the left hand side of the drive. So I did go ahead and pop off the case here. Okay, so that's our cover, and over here we have the actual base knob circuitry. There you go. So that's our base knob circuitry. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and attach it to this panel over here. Okay, fellow, we did attach the base knob to the front panel here. So this is how it's gonna be looking in the vehicle, nice and clean. And we're gonna do the connections at the back. So here we go. Base knob step is complete, guys.
If you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help.